Welcome to a walkthrough of a Luxe 48FB toy hauler. This is our largest toy hauler at 48 feet with a 16-foot flex space garage. The exterior is the standard 2-color paint scheme, and the owners who built this toy hauler will stay comfortable no matter the season, thanks to our 3-inch thick super composite walls, HVAC residential ducting, and thermal pack insulation in the roofing, flooring, underbelly, front and rear caps. This 48FB was opted with a side patio that is 6 foot by 10 and rated for 1,500 pounds. The ramp door has an awning, so it can become a back porch. Now in the ramp mode, it is rated for 5,000 pounds, but in the patio position, it is 2,500 pounds. In the description below, there will be a video showing how easy the ramp door is to put up and down. Here we have the electric cord reel, which is 30 feet, and the gas tanks, which are 40 for toys and 20 for the generator. Those can be reversed if you wish. The ladder for our walkable roof, which is 16-inch on-center welded trusses. Just be careful should you choose to walk on any coach's roof. And let's go ahead inside. The sofa does extend out, and there's plenty of overhead cabinetry, which is in the Brazilian walnut. 49-inch HD smart TV with a 1,500 BTU fireplace. Booth seating in the dinette area with under-drawer storage. We have the residential fridge upgraded with the ice maker and the water line. And the kitchen is outfitted with a dishwasher, 30-inch oven, full-size microwave, and a flip-up countertop for more space. Our beautiful Mesa countertops are here in the bathroom, with plenty of space in the shower and extra height due to the skylight. Enter the master bedroom. King-size bed, we've got individual cubbies on the side, 110 ports, and individual reading lights as well. Frosted glass on the wardrobe, which can be mirrors or normal all-wood cabinet doors. In the bifold closet, we have the stackable washer and dryer, egress window here, and the beautiful real wood dresser. Now let's head into the flex space garage. We've got the side patio door, but I'm gonna come over here to open up these snaps because I get asked about these a lot. They pop right off, and there's a window, an egress at that. The covers are to hide whatever you might choose to put in the garage itself. Plenty of storage, along with the Happy Jack sofas. And above here, there's a 13,500 BTU ACU unit. And in here we can see they've opted for a half bath. They've built a beautiful toy hauler, and I want to thank you for joining me on this walkthrough. If you have any questions, drop a comment or